Top of the morning. We back at it again. We're looking at the Australian dollar versus the US dollar on the weekly time frame. Quick quick weekly review and then a look into the trade we took earlier on. So as we can see, we recently just came from rebalancing a fair value gap. So this is our anchor. You can look at it like head and shoulders, but yeah, that's our last line of defense. I don't even think it's worth it to get down there anyway. But we'll just focus on this current structure here. So the first thing that took my attention was these relative equal highs. So I was like, okay, cool. Light work. We'll probably get up to there. And then, as you can see, that weekly fair value gap. Order block. My apologies. Weekly order block. We hit it. Wick, wick, wick. So we don't expect that to be broken. We shot up, came down, and then we created a fair value gap. So this is the current weekly candle, right? During the weekend, we just had this and that. So that's what I was keeping an eye on. I was like, okay, I expect us to tap back into this weekly fair value gap here. Or this would at least be as low as we could possibly go. So from there to there, that's about 71 pips. Last line of defense. And then when you go to the Audi time frames, you'll see there's a 4-hour fair value gap here. I was like, okay, we just might tap into it, considering the fact that today the DXY is quite bullish. So I'd expect downward pressure on the AUDUSD, but we'll observe what happens for the week. Let's go down to the daily chart. Okay, as you can see on the daily chart, we had a fair value gap there as well on the daily time frame. This was Friday. This is Monday today here, as you can see. What also I saw, apologies for these lots of lines that are about to come up here. We like to clean our chart. We like to keep our charts clean. Okay, anchored my fib there. So you can see in that daily fair value gap, price is in our OTE entry zone. So between the 0.62 and the 0.79 on the Fibonacci. We here by a weekly fair value gap providing support. And hey man, unicorn setup, unicorn setup. As I zoom out to show you where I'm projecting, entry there. First target is these relative equal highs, and then we have these ones here up as well. So it would be a very nice trade, in all honesty. Nice swing trade, long term, nothing crazy. The first one, that's about 175 pips. When we go up there now, that's about 440. So not bad. Not bad. So on the daily chart, we're in a daily fair value gap. In a daily fair value gap, we are in discount. Is this? If you're measuring this leg up, we're in discount. So price is currently in discount. We are in the OTE zone. We are in a daily fair value gap, and we just tapped the weekly fair value gap. It's, a couple confluences, but we're going to observe and see what it does. Go down to the 4-hour. As you can see, this is that smaller 4-hour fair value gap. I was like, we could trade down into this, but we'll see. The trade entering in the weekly fair value gap. You can see that order block over there in the 4-hour. It also acts as that, so high confidence as well. The high end of our weekly fair value gap is also on. It's also a 4-hour fair value gap, so it's pretty, high confidence. Initially, I was anticipating this level to be broken. That's on the hourly. We'll show it to you now to further on show a bullish shift in structure. Fair value gap there. So short term, we'll probably get up to there. I would like to see this high broken. That would further on confirm that we are going to the upside. The trade idea, risking 72.1 pips in order to get. I want you to get it. That's the TP. In order to get 180. So a nice, 2 to 5 risk reward ratio. As you can see, we've been triggered in already. We got triggered in around about way early. Tapped us in, currently in now. Let's go to the 1 hourly time frame. We also had a fair value gap on the 1 hour that informed our entry. Low key head and shoulders. Mixing retail and SMC. So as you can see, let us come in for a while. 2 o'clock, 3. That was the London kill zone. Between 2 a.m. up until about 4. This was the high I was looking for us to break in order to confirm that we are going to the upside. And we did see that. Broke it again, shot up nicely. Now we're just waiting to see what price is going to do. Thank God for the skill. And yeah, we'll see. Back to the 4-hour time frame. And that's currently our situation in the AUDUSD. Like I said, the DXY is bullish today, so I'm on the more cautious side. I'm favoring sells. The sell setup I got was on the euro. So yeah, we'll see from there. Can't leave these relative highs. They're too suspect. They're way too suspect. But yeah, risk. Gotta respect risk. Keep it in check. And yeah, thank God for the skill. Updates to follow.